What if your job vanished overnight, replaced not by another person, but by a tireless, efficient artificial intelligence that works faster, cheaper, and arguably better? In 2025, this isn't science fiction. It's happening. AI is no longer a back-office tool quietly crunching data. It's front and center, taking over roles once thought safe from automation. From marketing departments to legal firms, creative studios to customer service desks, no industry is untouched. So which AI tools are leading this revolution? And could they be eyeing your job next? Let's explore 5 cutting-edge platforms that are disrupting the workforce in ways that are as exciting as they are unsettling. 1. Grok 3, the brainy rival. Developed by Elon Musk's xAI, Grok 3 isn't just another chatbot. It's an intellectual powerhouse. This AI can write legal briefs, debug software code, create business strategies, and even design marketing campaigns in just seconds. Thanks to its deep search mode, Grok 3 taps into real-time web data, meaning it's constantly learning and evolving. It's already integrated into X.com, formerly Twitter, and available through mobile apps, making it accessible to millions. In 2025, Grok 3 is particularly disruptive in fields that rely on deep research and critical thinking. Think data analysts, consultants, researchers, and strategists, anyone who builds value by solving complex problems. Can your insights compete with a machine that processes more data in a minute than a team of humans can in a week? 2. Synthesia, the video game changer. If you work in video production, training, or digital marketing, Synthesia should have your full attention, and possibly your concern. This AI tool turns simple text into polished video content featuring virtual presenters who look and sound astonishingly real. No cameras, actors, or studios required. In 2025, Synthesia's avatars star in everything from product tutorials to corporate webinars and global ad campaigns. Businesses can now produce high-quality video content at a fraction of the cost and time. Presenters, video editors, and voiceover artists are finding themselves sidelined by AI-generated performances that never need a break, never flub a line, and always deliver with precision. 3. Midjourney. The creative disruptor creativity was once considered the final frontier for AI, not anymore. Midjourney, an advanced image generation AI, produces breathtaking visuals, designs, and even 3D models based on a few simple text prompts. Architects, graphic designers, and visual artists have already started feeling the heat, but 2025 takes things further. Midjourney now supports AR integration, meaning designers can create immersive virtual environments for events, games, and product showcases in record time. A single creative mind, armed with Midjourney, can now do the work of an entire team. For many, it raises a tough question. Is raw talent still enough in a world where AI can ideate, iterate, and execute faster? 4. Otter.ai. The meeting master meetings used to be a human-centric task. Someone took notes, summarized the discussion, and followed up with action items. Not anymore. Otter.ai has evolved into a meeting super assistant. It transcribes in real time, summarizes key points, identifies speakers, translates across languages, and even predicts potential project bottlenecks. In 2025, Otter is more than a productivity tool. It's a replacement for entry-level project coordinators and executive assistants. Integrated deeply into Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack, Otter doesn't just document meetings. It drives them forward. If your job involves note-taking, scheduling, or meeting management, it may be time to upskill before Otter makes you obsolete. 5. UiPath, the automation powerhouse. Imagine a tireless worker who learns how your business runs, then quietly takes over repetitive tasks without missing a beat. That's UiPath, a leader in robotic process automation, RPA. Whether it's data entry, payroll processing, invoice management, or onboarding new employees, UiPath automates it efficiently and error-free. In 2025, UiPath's AI-enhanced capabilities go beyond simple automation. It now analyzes workflows, suggests improvements, and self-optimizes processes in real time. HR departments, finance teams, and operations managers are already seeing their roles shrink as UiPath handles tasks once divided among entire teams. The question isn't just what UiPath can do, but what's left for humans once it does. But it's not all doom and gloom. These same tools are creating new roles: AI ethicists, prompt engineers, automation supervisors, and human-AI collaboration specialists. The catch? You have to pivot fast, learn new skills, and understand the tools before they understand your job better than you do. In 2025, AI won't just replace jobs, it will redefine them. The real question is, will you evolve or be replaced?